Hello friends and welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to know that how we can see what's the speed of our RAM that our computer system is using. In some computers there are 2 RAM set and somewhere 1 single or sometimes 4, which is very good. So that's not a set, we can also say that it's a RAM, particular 4 RAM sticks or 1 RAM stick. In my computer only 1 RAM stick is installed as it's a backend computer. So let's see how to do it, how we can find the speed of our RAM. It will also show in megahertz also. So there are 3 methods. First and second are very easy and the last one is a bit harder. So let's see how to do it after the intro. अभी तो intro चलेगा, अभी तो मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा, मेरे को जाना. Okay, so now let's see how we can do with the task manager application. So you need to go into the taskbar and right click on it, and here task manager, here it pops up. Now come to the performance tab. You can see here it's given. In your computer it may be that here it will show. In some computers such as my computer it doesn't show in the task manager, but in some computer it shows. So I thought let's show this. So this is not a perfect method to find the RAM. The second one is going to be the perfect one. So let's jump into the second one and see how we can do it, and we are going to use the command prompt. Okay, so we will go on the start button and search for CMD or command prompt and hit enter. You can see this is my command prompt. So let me just zoom it in. Okay, so now it's clear. So here you need to type a command in small letters, which will be WMIC, or we can see WMIC, and then memory chip get speed. Okay, WMIC memory chip get speed. Okay, so from memory chip here means the RAM stick, and it's going to get the speed. Now you will hit just enter and it's going to show you the output. So you can see as I have a single RAM stick, so it shows a single you can say speed, which is 1333, which is a bit slower, I know that. And if you are having 2 RAM stick installed and of same only, so it will show suppose 1333 and here 1333 like this, or different RAM means different speed RAM, which is not recommended. Then also it will show you like 1333, 1555 like this. So this is the method how you can find out the RAM. This was the 2 methods. This is the trusted method. If this also doesn't work in your computer, so you can do the last step, which is going to be a bit harder. So let's see how to do that. So this method is going to be harder because you need to open your CPU, and in the RAM stick you can see right here there is the marking that what is the current speed. Suppose in this RAM image it's 800 MHz, means megahertz. So that was how you can find your speed of the RAM. So I have said you 3 methods, from which the last one was a bit harder, but if you are not able to get the RAM speed, then you can do the third one. And yes, everything will be given in my website in more detailed manner. So if you want to know in more detail, so you can visit my website abhicoderweb.com and see there. Else you can also get the link of my website in the description. You can see the latest post and you will get to know how to do it in more detailed manner. So that's it for today's video guys, and hope this video would be helpful and informative for you. Then please subscribe and like to my channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.
not a game, it's a rich thing.